Hi everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to the Advanced Installer YouTube channel, where you can find helpful tutorials, how-tos and guides about application packaging and deployment, including MSIX, MSI, AppV packaging or repackaging. Today I'm going to show you how you can use installer analytics in your Advanced Installer to track any desktop installation property and make data-driven decisions for your business. If you are new to Installer Analytics, here are some must-know things about it. It is a complementary service to Advanced Installer. It helps you to automatically track and analyze your desktop installations on Windows. It creates custom reports such as product installation activity, uninstalled surveys, user base, presenting real-time information. And it offers a fully featured 60-day free trial plus a 30% discount when purchasing with Advanced Installer. Now, let's see how Installer Analytics works together with Advanced Installer. First, open your Advanced Installer project. To enable Installer Analytics in your installer, go to the Analytics page and enable the checkbox for tracking your application. Once the checkbox is checked, a tracking number for your application will be generated automatically. Now let's configure the tracking options. You can add properties in the Custom Properties table by using the Add button from the Report Installation Data section. In our Advanced Installer project, we may define any property, be it public or private. So let's imagine we want to keep track of the installer's language and the date and time the application was installed. After we define the properties in our application, save and build your project. Once the application is installed, go back to the Advanced Installer project and click on View Reports. When you click on View Reports in Advanced Installer, the Installer Analytics web interface will open and you will be able to view and analyze the information you are tracking. In our case, product language, date, and time. And that's it. As you can see, Installer Analytics helps you with real-time data to help you understand how your customers are actually interacting with your product.